I don't even know. What a whirlwind of a race. It was really made it hard work. Don't know what was going on for a couple of laps here, back in like 6th place, just not knowing what to do, but managed to find some form and pull some time back towards the end, and yeah, what a day, what a year. Speechless. I hurt my finger on the first race, and I just struggled to really like be smooth on the clutch. I was just really snatching at it and struggled to get any kind of traction. So I just tried not to panic. To be honest, I wasn't really panicking. I knew if I could just settle down and actually hit my lines and start riding well, then I was faster than the rest of the guys. So thankfully there was plenty of time on the clock for us to recover and to get back to the front. So, but nah, lost for words.